Okay, here we are. We got our sod into the front here, all the way down the side. They left the concrete there, so that's the water main shut off. And then over here is the clean out. And then over in this area is obviously irrigation system. So this is all over on the left-hand side of the garage. So we got sod everywhere there. And then you can see out here, out by the street, we got sod here. So that's all good. You got good grass all the way up, all the way down the street here. And we've got it all the way back up into here. This flower bed, I took all those bushes that were in here, I took all those out. I'm going to do Roundup on whatever's left here, so that'll kill that out. And then I'll just put the mulch right over the top of all this. I don't know that I'll do any flowers, but maybe if I can find some cheap ones. And then in here, what we're doing, the fence, because of where it's sat, the door wouldn't open, the fence wouldn't open. So what I'm gonna do here is just a couple of concrete pavers, and they couldn't go any deeper because the irrigation pipe is right here. So they didn't want to damage the irrigation pipes. So I'll just put some of those thin pavers down in here, so it'll look pretty in this little area here. And then I'll get the mulch, get it all put in this area up in here. So, and it's about 900 square feet, so I'm going to try and price it out. I may wind up finding a landscaper that'll do that and just put the mulch in, because that would be like, I don't know how many yards right now, but they could bring it in with a dump truck and dump it and be done with it. So instead of me hauling a few bags, but I'll get that figured out for you and let you know, and we'll go from there.